Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make the shine effect in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I imported this logo, this DaVinci Resolve logo, and I want to make the shine effect for it. What you want to do is go over to Fusion and go to Effects, open FX, and then search for Glow. Here you go. Just drag it in there, and then you can just connect media in one with glow and glow one with media out, just like this. Then what you want to do is click on the rectangle, so it just got added and it's connected to glow one. And now here under inspector, what you want to do is increase the height to 1.3 and decrease the width however you like. For example, let's do it just like this, and the angle to minus 45 degrees, like this. And what's important to add the soft edge, you can just play around a bit. Let's just make it like that. Then we want to use this red little cursor, move it all the way to the left, and click the diamond shape here on the right to center X and Y. Then what you want to do is move this over here, and for example go to frame 50 and then drag it all the way to the right, just like that. And now if we watch the end result, you can just see, let me just do it like this. Here is this little shine effect. Okay, that was a quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to make the shine effect. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.